All right, should I let you guys go?
Thank you. Yep.
All right.
Let us slowly rise away. Yep, this is the fun part of flying balloon.
All right, be safe. Hot air balloon. I got the chesty today.
Oh, cool.
Here's the balloon, the basket.
It looks pretty good. Hey, let's set up here. Wow, look on top of Long's Peak. Is that a plane?
Yeah, I saw it flying around.
The lights. I mean, it's right at the
UFO.
yeah. I got spray if anybody needs it.
So we're doing it here?
Looks like it, yeah.
Did you
All
get
right.
your text? Yeah. Yes. I sent your check. $25 tip from yesterday for both you guys. She already got hers.
Alright, you got your gloves. Do you need the other ones? Or do you want to wear those?
I got these. Should do me. All right, let's do it.
Head into the sun. Go ahead and pull ahead.
Just right there, kind of.
Here, I'll go walk out there.
So usually it's just you doing the groundwork and him flying?
Lately, we've been getting his sister to help us.
Okay.
So I haven't had to crew by myself for a while, but yeah, we were doing it, just the two of us. That's good.
You ever turn this off, or do you kind of just leave it?
You can turn it off.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll be here.
This one. Still up on that because you still got to move trailer.
Okay.
Right about there. Then we want the envelope.
I'll probably just move the truck up more for the envelope so we don't have to haul it all.
Looks like right here.
Gotcha. So the fan will be like right here?
Well, the fan will go right by the basket.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Stand here and mark that spot. I'm going to work on that. Right here. That's about fun.
pull it out?
Just a little bit. We're gonna tilt this over, pull it back a little bit farther.
All right.
Don't step on the fabric.
Kelly, you want me to expand that like all the way out?
Nope.
All right, I'll get the fan then.
Thank you. You want to put this one in and pull it up and make sure it's all. Yep. Go ahead and tie it around here. Don't leave this dangling. You don't want anything that you might get wrapped up in axles or drag on the road.
So usually just tie it around here?
Actually, we normally do this side over here.
Okay.
Yeah, around probably right here.
All right.
All right, now we're just waiting to improve. Oh, actually, I don't know. Show up a Molly too.
I mean, it's not really good.
We just want something that you can yank and it unties itself.
Okay.
So she does a what's a daisy chain?
I don't know how to. Just like lift
I
it
can never remember how
and
to
on
fucking do it.
itself.
So,
Hmm.
all right, you got a.
So when you want to release it, you just pull the tail and it should all come out.
Got you.
All right, so you have a.
Yeah.
Here's your radio.
All
right
right.
here.
I like the
not on
Apple map. That helped me more to like get
That's
exactly.
what I used
Yeah.
whenever I was following him.
And the radio, I was kind of listening, but
It's just
The
good.
Both-
radio's helpful for wherewithal.
yeah.
You should stay on the radios, but we'll probably still call you.
Yeah.
Probably.
Okay. And the Apple tracker, it was a lot easier to like be like right below you guys.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All right, just a quick review. Dangerous. No danglies. Not around this. You can shut it off. Just turn the switch to the off position. On off.
This one, right? Yep.
Yep.
All right.
Don't move it without powering it down. You can put it on minimum. This is the throttle right here.
Yeah.
But don't like have it blasted and then try to move it around.
I got you.
Make sure it's in the lock position, otherwise it'll go
Got
push
you.
backwards.
Okay.
So I don't know if you recall, we call it a bag inflation. It's
Okay.
where you turn the fan on and you let it catch up and
Yeah.
inflate, and then as it gets inflated, you pull it out a little bit more.
Okay. That rope for me, is it? It's in the
it's the
bottom
power
of it,
line.
in the bag, right?
Yeah, we'll pull it out.
Okay.
Wind's picking up again. I'm gonna wait until he's ready. I don't want to be sitting here in the wind on the ground. I mean, they're ready too. They're just waiting for the call. I'm gonna go talk to
Cool.
them. Alrighty, let's do this. So you'll come with me. We'll hold the mouth open until for a second.
Hold up. that he was on.
Alright, so here's your handle. Don't pull it out yet. Actually, yeah, you can walk it out. You're good.
This clip came out.
Just go hold the rope.
Okay. That's a bigger balloon with like up to 6 people for the basket. This one only has about 3 people per basket. Alright, this is the part where I'm gonna have to hold on. It gets a little tough because the wind is gonna be pushing the balloon up and back that way once it gets inflated like that.
Alright, we're getting ready to go. So it is burn. We'll start going tighter. You don't need to go that tight yet.
So yeah, you gotta move it left and right a little. It's like how he's doing it to inflate it really well. There's the burner. It's giving it some hot fire, hot air. It's gonna start lifting. There it is. There it is. I can hear it. Yep. Now I gotta hold on. All right. There you go.
So there is this thing. Hook it up to this. We had this. Yeah, what's that? Untie that rope. Did you tie that on there?
No,
It's
I think.
always like that.
Yeah. It's just the tightness of it.
Looks like it got tied up on something. It's different than it was. Okay, that was a little useful. Alright. Just keep your weight on us, yep. Alright, I'm gonna do, you're supposed to do this before you take off every time, but I might come up and down, so get your weight.
Okay.
Just come over here so you can put a lot of weight on it. And we want to reseal that Velcro. Make sure our parachute's actually sealed. See the light on the edges. Get some more heat in there, it'll tighten it all up.
Okay.
And you shouldn't see light coming through like you can right now. Alrighty.
Alright, and you guys are kind of trying to go together, right?
Yeah, we'll go similar.
Okay.
Alright.
Looks like they're about to.
So it takes them a little bit longer to get buoyant. They do this thing where they run out the fuel lines.
Oh yeah, he told me about that.
You can do that. I don't think it matters that much. All right, ropes off. Now we're just waiting. You're good.
Don't forget to untie. I know he already told you, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll untie that one.
All right, sorry, Stacy. You got the controls. We're actually pretty close to buoyant, so it won't probably take too long.
got
The winds are good right now,
good
so I don't
photo op
think we need
today.
to try to. We'll have him not put any weight on, and we'll just do it nice,
Okay,
like
slow.
almost. Unless we go at them, but
Yeah.
let's do it almost contour if you can. Contour the field as just practice.
Okay.
Go ahead, put a little heat in. And we'll see which way we go, but Molly, we don't want to hit the car, obviously, we don't want to hit them, so
Yep.
you'll fight that direction, but make sure we are flowing.
Okay.
Radio check. What's yours say under the 14?
Radio check. 0.
Radio check.
Yeah, here.
You can pull us that way. Pull us that way. So this is what we'll do sometimes when we're like trying to get to a better place to unpack.
Okay.
Go ahead and put some pops in so we don't come back down. So this is just good practice for what we might have you do at some point. We're good here.
This is a good angle. Get some
Yeah. Pull us that way some more if you can. Thank you. Smile.
All right. Should I let you guys go?
Thank you. Thank you. Yep.
All right.
Let us slowly rise away. Yep. This is the fun part of flying balloon.
All right. Be safe. As my crew just lifted them up, now I'll follow them in this Jeep, anticipate their landing somewhere that way. There they go. There goes my car. There's the other ground crew. And there's the balloons. Alright, so my guy's up there. This is how I keep up with them on the landing. So I'm right here on this field. And he's in the balloon. Just right over there. So eventually in about 25-30 minutes I'll keep track of where he is and then just follow him in this Jeep.
Hey, Chris, you ready to come north?
Stop going east.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, I'll steer it over there then.
Okay.
Fine.
I'm going to make this neutrally buoyant, and then we're just going to walk it that way.
All right.
If the winds get too strong, don't go for a ride, but try to keep me on the ground.
All right.
But I can always.
Yeah, I'm pulling up to see what I get
Got
here.
you.
We might come up. Go ahead, hop out, Stacy.
Oh.
And then it feels like it's blowing that way, so let's rotate the basket this way. A little more. Keep rotating. Turn, 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 turn. All right. Keep your weight on. All right. And we'll do that.
To the northeast of 3, guys. We may end up
Ground line.
passing up this farmhouse. Let's see what happens here.
Run that way. Pull, 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 pull.
There
Keep
is
pulling.
somebody outside in the back. There's people with an RV. RVers are watching us.
Keep pulling. Pull,
Fifth
pull
wheel.
hard. Keep running. Pull hard. Push the basket over.
Push it over.
Keep pulling. Pull hard. Go help her. Molly, walk up to here. Yeah, just leave it out. All right, so hot air still wants to rise.
Mm-hmm.
So what we do, let that go, grab it here. So let that go. Now let that upper part get higher and hold it lower. And that lets hot air out easier. And just keep pulling it tight. Let the hot air out. And whoever wants to go milk with me will go milk.
What's that?
Where we go to the front and start
Oh, okay.
squeezing it out.
Sure, I'll do this.
Okay.
All right, coming down. Up over there without you. All right.
All right, pull it tight that way. Down line. Pull tight. Woo! What's wrong? I saw him kind of dangling.
Guys, you might have to come over here and pull it.
So
I'm gonna try to
lay
get
this
in
like
and
this,
out.
and then just pull this into a dirty pile right here. Then when you get the handle, set the handle right there. I gotta find these keys.
Should just be in this path then. Right there.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Never.
I bet I'm not used to leaving keys in the car if I'm
you're good.
away.
So the handle.
A little bit
Put it up
further.
bit.
Yep.
Then go ahead and start at the bottom and roll it into, put thirds over it. Yeah, we can probably do a little bit. I don't know.
Some park shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have came sooner, but the road was closed, so I had to turn around.
Oh, you good?
2,
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys
Yep.
do that? Thank you.
Let's pull it taut and then we'll carry it in.
We burned some fuel today.
Yeah, we did. Our bill will be higher at Wagner than normal.
What was the total flight time?
90 minutes.
Oh, really?
Total burn time, it was actually 90 minutes.
Oh, fell shorter.
I'm
It's
still
like
flying.
2 hours. Yeah, because we were burning at 6:20 and we landed, I don't know, about 7:50. Alright. Okay, let's start bundling. Oh my gosh, I need like finger gloves. I have no dexterity.
I know, but the gloves are really for the propane.
I know.
Oh, what's that up there?
I think I left my gloves on the trailer and it flew off.
You did?
It might be at the other field.
Oh, shit.
Or in my car. I gotta check.
We're just gonna throw it on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Forward. Yeah, it's alright. Just be careful when we unload. Go slow though. Go ahead. Alright, that's good. Alright, we want this wall against that side. Yeah, reach to the corner. It's pretty light right now. What's it catching on?
The bag. Okay.
That's better. Alright.
Alrighty, let's get the fuck out of here.
Sweet.
You wanted that wall, like, you wanted that tank against the...
I'm just used to it. This one's probably better. It's for refueling. That's where the thing is. Alright. Looks good. TTFO.
You're gonna want to stop by Wagner first, right?
What time is it?
8:06.
Hot air balloon.
Alright, you hear that noise?
Yeah.
That's our float valve in the tank.
Okay.
That's when you first start hearing it.
Yeah.
It's been going for a little bit, so it's less than that, but we got and we have a whole other tank that I haven't been using, so this one's totally full.
Okay. It's downtown Denver right there. That's Pikes Peak. Over there we got Long's Peak. About 8,649 feet. A lot of nice houses in this area.